Scotty, what are you doing?
Topping off the last
little bit of the radiator. Now, on these cars, with this radiator hose that goes way above the top of the radiator and the fill point, I do recommend putting one of the caps in line in that upper hose, and then we put a heavy cap down here and just seal this so it gets filled up to there, which I want to do on this car because these vets are notorious for getting hot anyway.
Right, which is always a good idea to make sure you're cool. But with that idea, and also with the fan setup that we have for this car, and the amazing radiator, because I mean that thing's
That's a killer.
That's a work of art in my opinion.
Yeah, those are nice.
We should be.
Yeah, we'll seal that for now. I'll get that coming, and then we'll top off that and then fill our expansion tank, and then we're done. But boys and girls, heater hoses are done. I gotta finish my mock-up on our AC hoses. I will do that later this afternoon so I can get a hold of Felipe over at the hose joint, and we're gonna knock that out. Now, Scotty, you did gauges this morning, got them mounted, ready to go. What's next on your little docket here?
Mine's gonna be basically
speakers.
Huh?
Speakers. Yeah.
Yep. Well, I'm waiting. I need the speed nuts.
I got you those.
Okay, so I found the screw. I found the screws. I found the screws that will work and do the job. I was because you cannot use just any old screw because you'll go right through the top of it.
Look at how beautiful that is.
It is. It's gorgeous.
I haven't got to see this yet.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous.
This is stunning.
So then, actually, just because I want to.
Oh, a little show and tell, little Scotty model. We gotta put speed nuts on that again, but you're just gonna set it up there for eyeball squint.
Yep.
Oh baby, that silver is where it's at.
I mean that's.
Yes. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over there. It matches perfect. You guys gotta see the color.
Open that door.
Beautiful. Wait, but they're together right here, and they're beautiful.
Well, I'm gonna put
Mr.
put
Fly,
it in.
You're in my shop. There's a fly in my ointment.
There's been a fly in your ointment since the day I met you.
I don't know if that's a fly. That's more like a fucking scorpion.
I know, right? So
you're just gonna sit in there and check her out?
Yep. Because I can actually. Come on. In the right place? No, you're not in the right place. That's what the problem is. Okay, so that goes there.
Oh my god!
I can't afford to fuck that up.
Yeah, do not fuck that up. That pad looks great.
I know, it is absolutely beautiful. Alright, well what I'll do is I'll kind of get this set into place, and since you have the push nuts, so that I can lock the speakers down, we could actually put the B-pillars on both sides, lock this into place, and put the gauges in their perspective spot.
Well, gotta leave them loose because I gotta wire them.
Right. No, I'm saying we can put it in their perspective spot.
Kind of just hanging off the column.
Yep.
So to speak.
And the good part is the wiring that they gave us for those gauges.
It has some length.
Is really, really long. You know, so we've got more than enough room to work with.
Yeah, then I can work on it and I can route stuff.
Yep.
I will be a busy bee later this afternoon.
Yes, you will. And I think with this in, I think it should stay in for the moment. Reason being is it'll allow me to route wiring properly so I know how much room I've got in between each component.
And we got to route all the AC system stuff too.
Correct. So this being in will actually be a good thing.
And we got to route our compressor clutch wire too.
Yep.
Man!
It's getting there.
Getting things done.
Slowly, but it's getting there. So I'm going to do the new crystals, the new plastic on the center gauges for the lenses.
Yeah.
Then I'll do the dash top and the speakers. Get that gently placed in so we know where we're at.
Yeah, kind of located.
And kind of go from there. I mean, because then it's pretty much in your ballpark.
Yeah, that's wire time.
Yeah.
And I got a lot of wire time to do. But
So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for enjoying this ride with us. It's been a ride, but we're getting there.
We're getting there for sure.
It's going to be one very beautiful car when we're done.
Mo's going to be a happy man.
Yep. Cannot wait.
Awesome. Thank you, Scotty.
Thank you, guys. Have a great, wonderful week.